Can we go this way? Captain's house.
Yes, our favorite.
All our favorites.
Next to water, beer and coffee, whatever.
Yeah.
They have food too. Yeah, they have food.
Many of you know Captain's house.
Hassan is there. Say hi to Hassan.
Say hi to Hassan.
He is the owner now. You know, he used to be waiter there.
Really?
Now he runs there.
Oh, like a manager?
Yeah. He rent out or something. He rented.
Very nice. So see, the corn salesman is not there yet. It's a little bit early for us.
Kuşadası people.
Kuşadası people like don't.
Siesta in the morning.
Because if you know, all our shops are open until midnight usually. Right now,
The artists, they make these statues.
there are regulations usually for the shops to close a little bit earlier these days because of COVID. But normally, Kuşadası places are open. Everybody's open until 12. The food shops, the restaurants, the clothing stores, and so on. And this is so unusual to us, being having lived in Canada. You know, in Canada every store closes at 6, so you have like 1 hour after work to do the shopping very quickly, and then they close. And here they always stay open, so that's why they never wake up early, because they always work that late. And it's kind of a lifestyle now, even though they are closing earlier because of regulations. Still, they are not waking up that early, so it's just like the normal lifestyle that they have. Oh, look at these flowers. Like my grandma's garden. I don't know what they're called, but this is what my grandma loves, this type of flowers.
They're very fragile, sensitive.
But such like a velvety texture, yeah? And in the wind they're like... It's nice.
Flowers of Kuşadası. Same thing, different color here.
Yeah.
You know, the leaves look like strawberry leaves. You ever strawberry farm? The leaves like strawberries.
There's a fancy garbage bin where they like...
Come here. Don't hold here, okay? You step here.
You step here, opens, so you don't need to hold any handles. And the reason they did this is like to prevent terrorism, because if you put a bomb, it's gonna go under and it's gonna explode underground. So it's really protecting the people around. So they have this nice bomb shelter kind of garbage bins around the city. They could have a few more garbage bins to my taste. We don't have enough, I feel like. Not as much as in other countries. But they are keeping it pretty clean downtown, and I like that. You'll notice that there are no like laying around garbage
people
here.
are wondering how much those houses there next to water.
Yeah.
One there for sale. Like they're around 400, 500,000 euros.
So
450.
these are our expensive properties, you know, with the
No, they're
Syria.
more expensive, but these buildings are a little bit older than new ones, you know, and then they're apartments. That's why they were cheap. If brand new building, they just build it, they will sell you like 1 million euro or something, maybe more.
Yeah, there was a day when I wanted to buy one of these. I don't want anymore. But there's quite a few satılıks now, see?
From line.
Here's the Turkish lesson for you guys. Satılık means for sale.
Yes. Kiralık means rental.
Kiralık means
Lease.
for rent. Yes. So kiralık and satılık.
You will see that two signs, there is no other ones.
Yeah. And it's always the case that they put in the balcony the house that they're selling. Like, they don't do that in every country, but this is what they do. They put on the balcony the sign that they're selling. So usually if you like some area, you don't have to go online. You can just walk around. Oh, there's this guy singing always every day. Kolay gelsin. He basically walks around and sings. Have you seen him before? His regular route is around this old tea shop. He just walks around and sings the same song every day. I don't know why he does that, but you've probably seen him around. So he's our Kuşadası local. are some restaurants. Uh-huh.
Kremleri falan aldım ben. Sattılar.
Interesting statues. Barbara says we stayed at the Deriji Hotel.
Yeah. Deriji Hotel built around like 1989, 88.
Yeah, it's a very nice hotel, nice location. And right next to it now they are renovating this area to be a park with the
Water fountains and then
underground
center.
car parking and stuff
And
like
this
that.
building renovating gonna be like some restaurant or coffee shop. This old building. Oh, they show the barista bus.
Where's the sound coming from?
Mosque. They announced something.
Let's go a little bit to the Kuşadası sign. So here you have sat here for sure and watched the sea. This is one of our highlights in Kuşadası. So the sound apparently is coming from the mosque. They are announcing something. Nice place to sit and relax. And the birds represent Kuşadası because Kuşadası, Kuş is a bird. Ada is island. So bird island. Everywhere you'll see these bird symbols here.
But the island over there, they're called Pigeon Islands.
The other
not
one
a
is
bird island.
pigeon, not the bird island.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's because there's lots of pigeons, right?
Yeah. Pigeons and rabbits.
See here, can you smile in the heart of Kuşadası?
Smile?
Yeah,
Me?
yeah. Can you?
My smile is not good. With a mask?
Kendi kendimi derim uçumlara. Niye sevmiyorsan mı?
Cheese. Smile. Look
This
at
is
me.
biggest I have.
It's the biggest you have. Wait, let's see.
No zoom, my God.
Cheese. Very nice. So you're watching, you probably have done this before many times. Every time you come to Kuşadası, you will take a picture here. It's a very popular place. Well, to take a picture is not that old, this sign actually, but ever since it's been there, it's a very popular spot to take pictures. And this is a new style tea shop.
Yeah.
Because look what happened to the old tea shop.
You can see prices here.
Yeah. So what are the
Like
prices?
iced Americano, 12.50. Iced latte, 15 lira. Mocha, oh, iced mocha.
So in euros that is divided by 8, right?
Yeah.
Divided by 9, I don't know.
8, 9. So €1.50.
So yeah, €1 for a nice fancy mocha. And like some cents
Americano.
for tea. How much is regular Turkish tea?
They will have here tea bags, I think. Merhaba. They don't know Turkish, they will have only tea
Can
bags.
you ask if he has Turkish tea?
Türk çayı yapmıyoruz değil mi burada? Poşet çay var değil mi çay olarak?
Çay yok bizde.
No tea,
Ah, no tea.
İşte.
like other one.
Oh, that's so sad.
Yeah.
No
this
tea.
is coffee, baby.
What about-
Barista, this
where's
is
the
not-
tea
they're not
shop?
tea maker. Tea shop will come after.
Ah, okay.
Right.
I get it. So it's a specialty coffee place.
Yeah.
All right, cool,
Look,
I guess.
The name is Barista.
Yeah, barista bus. Now I get
Coffee
it.
truck. Meet me for coffee.
Okay.
So you say, let's meet in Barista bus, to your friend.
So for now we don't have the tea shop, which will come right here.
But the different concept gonna be now. Different, I don't know how.
They're doing something like more simple or something like that, like a little bit less obstructive to show the beauty of Kuşadası a little bit better.
It's gonna be very nice here.
Yeah, just next to Hotel Deriji they are building.
And next winter, I heard about it. This road's gonna change everything. Because this is 30 years old. 25
Really?
years.
So this wobbly yellow part.
Everything changed here. Everything.
Hopefully they're gonna
Well,
put a
this
bike
gonna be
lane.
there. Here's for blind people. That's gonna be here, but new one's gonna be.
I am really dreaming for a bike lane.
They will make bike lane. Yes,
I'm really, really dreaming about
they
that.
will make bike lane here.
Because then I will go on scooter. It will be so nice.
And no, gonna be no cars parking here. I heard about that too. You know, here, no parking.
No cars parking will be.
Yeah, gonna be bike lane or something like
That's
that.
fantastic. So this man sells corn, and he has all kinds of condiments here.
Spicy corns.
There's a nice little kids park. Güzel Camlı Marina. Yeah, we will go there again. We did that last year. We'll do again, and we'll walk around with a nice live if you like. Yes, it is beautiful there. I went there only once in my life, and it was very nice. So here is Candan. Those of you who know Candan, put a like. Candan, why is it popular? Well, because of its central location and just really good staff. They're so helpful and so nice, and you can just get a tea here. Look, you can sit and enjoy the tea. It's really, really calm and beautiful place. Willie says, Can, yeah. Here, and you know, it's very nice. You sit on the bench, you have tea, and you take your snack, and then you fish, and you wait for the fish to come. You know, it's very nice actually. So now we are walking where you have walked many, many times before, and every step that Mustafa makes, it's you making that step. So every single step that he puts on the floor, it's you putting so the feet touches Kuşadası ground. Wouldn't you want to be here right now? I know the feeling, because when we lived in Canada, this is what I was dreaming about. Just to walk again in Kuşadası, to just enjoy. You know, in the air there's the smell of something salty and sunny, and like, I don't know, there's something in the air that defines Kuşadası. If you're sensitive to scents of all kinds, it's just the scent that Kuşadası has is such a seaside city, you know. And then when you come here, a little bit of breeze in your face, and you're just walking, and you just you breathe in, breathe out. It's just like the most wonderful feeling ever. So even though it's early for us, there's quite a few people walking. It's a really nice stroll. And don't ask me where they are going, because all they're doing is just like us. They walk by the sea and then turn around and go back, and just walk back and forth on this nice little walkway. Promenade of Kuşadası. There's also Roma Cafe here. They make very nice coffee, and they have a little corner for kids. You see kids playground in the back, so it's nice if you have little ones, they can enjoy.
Şimdi mi oldu daha? O kefale benziyor galiba. Aynen. Vay be. Yine sanki yaşıyor mu, yok?
What happened to that fish? Sweetheart, why the fish is dead?
Big fish, he said. He saw that.
Oh.
Big fish bite the tail of this guy, poor guy.
Oh no. My God, today is second dead fish we're seeing. What's that?
Fish is always good to see, you know, but dead or alive, you know.
Gel, gel. Yollarda bekleme, gel. Gel bak burada ne var, bak gel.
So yeah, this is the wonderful walk.